What's up guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you the fastest way to color grade in Premiere Pro while doing it the best way possible. I'm going to turn this clip right here into this clip right here, and I've also left chapters down below if you want to skip around. So the first thing you need to do to actually access the color grade panel is you just click on this box in the top right hand corner, go to color, and you're going to bring back to this page right here. And once you're here, all you have to do is you can actually just click on the auto button, and that does some color grading. However, if you want this to be more precise, I recommend cranking up the temperature. This basically adds more saturation, bringing out the colors a little bit more. And also I would change some of these settings down here, making them a little bit more intense than they currently are. Bring down the blacks a little bit, but if we really want to show off the colors in this image, what we want to do is we just go down to HLS secondary down here. We select the color using this eyedropper tool that we want. In this case, I'm going to choose the red building, or you can choose the sky. And then you just want to increase this like so. And as you can see, there's a lot more reds in this image. And if we scroll down here and crank up the saturation just a little bit, not all the way, but it definitely adds a lot more color to this video clip. And you can also do this one more time with the sky if you want it to be a different color. Make sure you choose a duller part of the sky, such as the gray. As you can see, it's currently pink. I'm just going to change that up and just turn down the saturation a lot so we can actually get the more of the colors in the current sky. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go to creatives and make this a little bit of red overall and sharpen it a little so we can get a clear vision on the buildings. If you want to see the before and after, you just click on the FX button up here. As you can see, it looks a lot better. And yeah, it's simple as that. If you found this video helpful, leave a like down below and share this with a friend who also needs to speed up their color grading process.